Hey brothers and sisters, Kim Samples. I just wanted to show you an idea that I had and did here in our kitchen. It's custom cabinet end caps. So this has got I'm not sure if you can see the rounded glass here. And so this is the end cap of our cabinets. Now I'm still finishing up on the cabinets. I haven't got them all painted yet. But this is we're gonna keep this kind of the same here. And so this is I put some crown molding up there. And anyway, this is the custom end cabinet that I wanted to show you. And I wanted to show you how you could do something like this in your own kitchen. So let me show you the other one. Okay, and this is the other end of the custom kitchen end cabinet. So, and this is rounded glass. So you think, okay, how are we going to make that? And I saw something online that somebody had made one or had it made or whatever round, and I thought, man, I bet that costs a lot of money. So here's what I did. So let me show you. Okay, here's a china cabinet, and if you noticed, this china cabinet looks very similar to the end caps that I put on the cabinets, on the kitchen cabinets. So as a matter of fact, it is almost identical. There's a little bit of difference. I picked up one of these on Craigslist, a used one, and I cut it right here and down this way, and took out the center section right here, and I used this part over here for the end cabinet on the kitchen. So I cut up a china cabinet, which was relatively not that hard, wasn't that easy either, but it was overall it was a pretty good idea, because I picked up a china cabinet for very reasonable on Craigslist, and then was able to cut it down and use it in our kitchen cabinet. So it might be an idea if you're inclined to put some curved glass end cabinets on your kitchen as you're building it or doing whatever there. You may want to consider something like that, using a china cabinet. And you could use any kind of china cabinet for that matter if you wanted to use one that's a little bit different. But that worked out very well for us, and I thought I'd share that tip with you, so that possibly it might be something that you'd like to use. So anyway, have a blessed day, keep walking with Jesus, and thank you for watching.